Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1969 Chevelle Project. Super straight body on this car. It's got a fresh 454. I think it's like 4¼ horse. Chrome valve covers, Whelen aluminum water pump, brand new MSD wires, electronic ignition, brand new Approx carburetor. I think it's a 650. We have a video of it running on the stand. Kind of just plopped it in here. It's got headers, big deep sunk oil pan, runs fantastic. Power disc brakes, drum in the rear, 10-bolt rear. I think it's a single legger. Brand new bumpers, front and rear. Sitting on rally wheels. Like I said, the back bumper is also brand new. Won't take much to put it all together. It's got a turbo 350 trans, a little bit of a stall, manual valve body, new inner fenders also, power steering lines. Then decodes as a Chevelle V8, which is good. So it could be a real SS. Who knows? Grill's in great shape. Got a couple T3 headlights on here. Those are not cheap. Real good fitment on the doors. Glass is in great shape. Also have some spares here. Go with the car. Some rubbers. It was originally an AC car. Brand new carpet. Door panels are in great shape. Buckets. Brand new wood wheel. A real wood wheel, not a simulated wheel. We've got the cap liner in here somewhere. Does need a new wiring and harness. Little crack in the dash pad. Needs a headliner. Sail panels. Package tray. Center console's in nice shape. This latch will be fixed too. Also the glove box latch will be fixed. Solid floors, solid quarters, no rust anywhere. You guys can check out the undercarriage photos and everything on the website. This door panel's in nice shape too. Definitely hop on the website. I got a video of the motor running on the stand. Like I said, it's real fresh. Great project. The wheels are in real nice shape. It needs a little bit of polishing. Elbow grease. Someone that knows how to turn a wrench can really transform this car. Well, thanks again for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. And don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks a lot.